Meaning of fascinatingly.
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 Fascinatingly. Fascinatingly is an adverb that means arousing great interest, fascination, or admiration. When something is described as fascinatingly, it suggests that it is captivating and compelling in a unique and intriguing way. For example, a fascinatingly complex puzzle may require keen attention and mental acuity to solve. A fascinatingly beautiful scenery may capture one's imagination and take their breath away. Similarly, a fascinatingly innovative technology may revolutionize the way we live and work. Overall, something that is described as fascinatingly evokes a sense of admiration and wonder in the observer.